Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling lighter, relieved, and finally free from that heavy, uncomfortable, bloated feeling that's been slowing you down for days. Yes, constipation can disappear overnight, and today I'm going to show you the exact foods that make that happen. But what if I told you that most people eat foods every day that secretly block digestion, even foods they think are healthy? And the solution? Almost no one talks about it. Stay with me. So here's the real question you need to ask yourself: why do you constantly struggle with constipation, even when you drink enough water? Even when you take fiber? And even when you try to eat healthy? If constipation keeps coming back, what is your gut trying to tell you? Here's what most people don't know: some foods have the natural ability to draw water into your intestines, stimulate bowel movement, soften hard stool, feed good bacteria, and trigger overnight relief. These are not laxatives. Not harsh teas. Not medications. These are real foods. Simple foods. Scientifically proven foods. And I'm going to reveal the ones that actually work, the ones almost no one talks about. Let's be honest, constipation affects everything. Your energy drops. Your stomach feels tight. Your appetite becomes weird. Your skin becomes dull. Your mood changes. And the bloating becomes unbearable. You feel heavy, backed up, and frustrated. And the worst part? People keep giving you one answer: eat more fiber. But fiber alone does not fix constipation, and sometimes it makes it worse. Your gut needs something more powerful: hydrating foods, prebiotic foods, magnesium-rich foods, and foods that stimulate natural movement. This is the secret. Now let's get into the foods that heal constipation overnight. 1. Prunes, the overnight gut activator. Prunes contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that pulls water into your colon and softens stool. They also have insoluble fiber that adds bulk and stimulates movement. A small handful before bed can produce results by morning. 2. Kiwi, better than fiber supplements. Kiwi contains actinidin, an enzyme that stimulates intestinal motility. Studies show kiwi improves stool frequency more than fiber drinks. 1 kiwi at night equals smoother movement next morning. 3. Warm lemon water plus chia seeds. Here's your gut flush. Chia seeds turn into a gel that cleans the intestinal walls. Lemon stimulates bile flow to break down stubborn waste. Warm water hydrates the colon. Drink this 30 minutes before bed. 4. Papaya, the enzyme fruit. Papaya contains papain, a digestive enzyme that breaks down tough proteins stuck in the colon. It softens stool and heals the gut lining. Half a papaya before dinner works wonders. 5. Oats, gentle, soothing, hydrating fiber. Oats contain beta-glucan, a fiber that traps water inside your intestines and softens stool without bloating. Great for people with sensitive stomachs. 6. Avocado, magnesium plus healthy fat combo. Magnesium relaxes the intestinal muscles. Healthy fats lubricate the stool. Fiber adds bulk. 1 avocado a day equals constipation relief and prevention. 7. Flax seeds, the natural bowel lubricant. Flax seeds contain mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats the intestines. It reduces friction and helps stool move effortlessly. Mix 1 tablespoon into yogurt or warm water before bed. These foods work overnight because they pull water into the colon. Stimulate natural movement. Activate digestive enzymes. Feed good gut bacteria. Soften hard stool. Help your intestines contract properly. No chemicals. No harsh reactions. Just natural relief. So here's the big takeaway: constipation is not a life sentence. You're not just stuck this way. You simply haven't been eating the foods that your gut needs. Add 1 or 2 of these tonight, and tomorrow morning may feel completely different. Comment below, which food will you try first? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health transforming videos.